Okay. Recording. Chapter 10.
اذكر هذا يوم
1. So we click here. Open in StatCrunch. Close this one. So here we have tip, Y, and X right time. So stat, regression, simple linear. So we have right time, Y is tip. Wait, tip. And we keep this compute. Next.
I think C.
So we'll have to, no, it's not C. D. Look, you can click this, you can make it bigger. Wait, is it D?
It's nothing.
This was
no,
D.
no, wait,
No,
wait.
it doesn't look like D.
Is it
It's
between B and
A.
A?
No, it's A. Look,
Okay. Okay, it's A.
it looks like A.
Yeah.
You have these dots, so we have
Yes,
up,
it's
down, up, down,
I
up.
think it's A. It's A between A or
Yeah,
B.
it's A. It's A. It's A. Check. Nice. Then correlation R over
It's
here.
here.
This
zero
one.
point correlation same.
So we do 3 decimals.
سهل والله.
So this one, it's
Equal-
equal
equal
0, not equal 0. You know, this is like
Not equal zero.
it's always the same.
Always this?
Yeah,
Always the
for
same.
yeah.
It doesn't change.
For regression, it's always
Always
equal 0,
not equal.
not equal 0. 3 mark. 3 mark plus 1.
Then
The statistic, you take this one
yeah.
for the slope.
we don't have to do anything. خلاص يعني.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. You just copy values and that's it. So 2 values here, 2 decimals. You copy the
والله
t-stat.
سهل. وايد سهل.
Look, t-stat from the slope.
Yeah. You told us.
You don't look at the intercept. Imagine it's not there.
Okay.
Okay, so p-value.
Value.
Put 3 decimals, go.
Okay.
So here, because let's see.
The p value.
So what is alpha? 0.01.
Yes.
We have p-value 0.473. It's bigger, so greater than. That means there is not. That means we
Reject.
support that. For correlation, we don't
Oh, I
reject it.
thought there
Yeah, yeah.
isn't.
There is a. So it appears that rises do not.
وإذا شو اختيار الثاني زي إيه؟
Okay, look. So it's greater than. So there is or is not. So is not because it's greater
P
than.
value greater than what?
The alpha,
Alpha.
0.01.
Okay.
So
شو اختيار الثاني زي إيه؟
this one here,
That's A.
A or no.
Oh no.
But you always put A. So
You
it
always
appears
put it on what situation?
yeah, it's always A.
It's always
And we don't reject, we only support. So it's always support and
on
is
every
A.
situation.
Yeah,
The only thing
we
that's
only
different is-
support.
Greater than or less than?
Yeah, we
Base or not base?
we either support or we fail to support.
For,
Yeah, so there is sufficient evidence to support or there is not sufficient
but
evidence
wait,
to support.
before you continue,
Yes.
we're comparing every graph between this, right?
Yeah. Yes. So here, look. You can make it bigger from here. And you can see the numbers here. Look. 1 dot on the left, and then 3, and then 1 is down. And then up and down, up and down. You know, the same stuff. Okay, so we're done with this one. We'll go next. Close this one.
Okay.
And we'll delete the older one. We'll open this in StatCrunch. So here we're only doing the correlation. Yeah. So stat, another regression, simple linear. So what is X? It tells me here. Look, internet users,
So internet user.
and Y is awards. So we compute and go next. So here, look. Is it A? No. B? No.
It's
D.
D.
Yeah, it's obvious D. So, well done. Good.
Okay.
That's
Written here.
correlation. Yeah. It's written. Okay, you just copy paste 3 decimals. Okay.
This one.
Equal 0.
Not equal.
Not equal 0. 3 marks. Excellent.
Okay.
T-stat. We'll go to the slope.
Yes.
Copy T-stat. Paste. 2 decimals. P-value. And then we'll go here. 9. Okay, so let's see. P-value
Greater
0.059. Greater than. So
There's,
There's not.
there's not.
Not.
Next.
If it's lower than significant level, it's
Less than.
So here we have another one. Open StatCrunch. You know this 10 point chapter 10 is always like you have to open the data and
It doesn't change chapter 10. It does this.
yeah, simple linear, and then you just have to choose your
This
actress, actor, compute, next.
Did you put it in the
I
start
think
tab?
Okay, so this one, B.
C or B.
Yeah, I think it's B. So let's
Ah,
make
B.
B bigger.
B.
Okay, and then we'll put this one here, and then we look. We have these four lines are here, two lines
B.
are here, yeah.
it's
So it's B.
Yes.
Go left, and then here we have it negative.
Yeah.
you keep it as negative.
Yeah, keep it as negative. It's okay.
It will be
We'll
X.
do 3 decimals.
Nothing. Then equal 0, not equal 0.
Then 3 marks.
Equal
Yeah.
0,
Not
not
equal
equal 0.
3 marks, not equal 0, not equal 0.
Mahmoud?
Yes.
Yes, can you just re-explain this linear correlation coefficient again?
Which one? Which part? A which this
The one
here?
with the answer negative, no, no,
Oh,
it's,
this one. Oh, this one.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. You just go here. This R correlation coefficient.
Close the StatCrunch.
What are
You
the
just
steps?
yeah, yeah. So look, I'll close it. I'll go to stat, regression, simple linear, and here look, best actress is on the x-axis. So we do best actress. Best actor is on the y-axis. So best actor. Compute. Here. Correlation coefficient, we'll copy with the negative sign, paste, 3 decimals.
So it's always like for 10.1, it's always regression and linear, right?
It's, I guess. No.
Yeah, linear. Regression, linear.
9.
Okay, thank you.
And here we have the slope, t stat. We'll round up to 2 decimal places.
9, 0.
Okay, so p value, we'll take it from slope as well. And 3 decimals. Go. So it's greater than, so there is not.
It's not.
What?
So
Should we expect that will be correlation? Yes.
no, because look, because actors and actresses appear in different movies, so we should not expect the ages to be
How do
correlated.
you know this?
Look, imagine like this. There are like movies for older people, movies for kids. So the movies for kids, you're gonna find young people. Movies for
Adults.
older people, yeah, it's gonna be like it's different.
It's logical.
Yeah, logical. The logical part is tricky. So let's go here. Open StatCrunch.
X is the height. Resident height.
Okay, done. So let's go stat, regression, simple linear,
Resident height.
x, president height, opponent, compute, next. Okay, now we have to check.
C.
Is it C? Let's see. Let's make it bigger. And let's compare. You have these two dots
Yes, it's
right
correct.
here, and the so C is correct.
MC.
لا ترى شوي اسمعني تشوف لازم تركز.
So 3 decimals, 7. Okay, excellent.
Equal 0.
3 marks. Let's go.
Not equal.
Equal, not equal. The statistic from slope.
Slope.
Slope. And we'll put 2 decimals. 5.
Then it will be
The
value for the
value,
slope
yes.
also.
So 3 decimals. So 3.
3.
Not this one. Right. So p value is greater than. Is not 50. Okay. So should we expect there will be correlation? No, because they are nominated for other reasons than height.
Ah, logical too.
Yeah, like anyone can be a president, short, tall, who cares?
Now 10.2.
You want to go to 10.2?
Let's
I think we repeat this switch.
Okay, let's close this one. So 10.2 regression. We'll do solve application. And let's open in StatCrunch, and we have to find the equation. So let's see, what is x? X is chest size. So stat, regression, simple linear. Says chest size x, and then weight is y. Compute. And here you have the equation. You copy this part first, the 300 with the negative. Copy it. So it says 1 decimal, so whoop, 1 decimal. And here we have this one, copy it.
1 decimal.
1 decimal becomes 8.
الواجب عليه ضروري.
Okay. So now we have to check conditions if you want to use the equation or not. So first we compare p-value with significance level. Less than, that means there is a linear correlation.
Okay.
Okay. Or you can compare the R with the critical R.
So we don't use the slope?
No, you can use R, compare R with critical R or p-value with alpha.
If we ask, or
You can use whatever you want.
Where's the other R?
This is R and critical R is here. You have to find it yourself. So alpha 0.05. So this is 6. So 6. This one.
0.819.
Yeah. So R is bigger. That means there is a linear correlation. So that's the first.
Or we can compare what other than R.
We can compare p-value with alpha or R with the.
Okay, so
Mm.
if we confirm it, then we do the prediction.
Yeah, we can do the prediction. Let's see if this one's correct.
If it's not confirmed, what do we do then?
Let's try this one. That works.
What would happen if it was not
كيف طلع الفون؟
confirmed?
لحظة كيف طلع الفون؟
So look. So 58.
Okay.
It has to be close to the range.
Between them, it had to,
Between them or very close. Like 58 is not inside, but
between
it's very
7
close. Yeah,
7, okay, okay,
it's very close to 57.
okay.
Okay.
Then what do you do after this?
So then you will put edit.
Okay.
You'll put the value here.
Okay.
You'll put level 1 minus alpha.
Yeah.
Compute. Go down prediction y.
Okay, okay.
Copy paste.
Okay.
So this 601, is it close to this one?
Yeah, no.
No.
It's
No.
not close.
Because it's 30 pounds, 40 pounds almost. Very, very much.
You said we had to test if it's if we can use this one. What would happen if the test was not confirmed?
If the test was not confirmed, that means we have to use the mean.
What does it mean?
We have to go to summary stats and then take the mean of. Okay, here I think this one is.
Okay.
Let's see.
Find the equation.
So stat, find the equation, regression simple linear. So x is
Time and time.
so time and then tip,
Yes.
then compute. Then we have this one. 2 decimals. This one is 4. 4, right? We have 5 now. So this.
Okay. We'll go
So
to the
compare
test.
alpha. So look,
It's not between them.
so p-value is bigger than 0.01 and 0.05.
Yeah.
So it doesn't check out. So we can't use the equation.
Okay.
Stats, summary stats, column. And then we choose the one that we wanted to predict, which is the tip. Two-step, compute, mean, copy, paste, and then nearest cent, you'll just round it 2 decimals. So is it close to the actual tip?
No.
Nope, very different.
Wait, this number was it 1.85 before?
Yeah.
8885.
Eight-
Yeah, so cent,
Yes. Okay.
Nearest.
cent is 2 decimals, okay?
Yes.
If we did this one,
We just need that one condition, or we do have to test the two conditions?
there are 3 conditions, but you only only
Typically,
check. Just
you-
check for alpha. It doesn't matter. Like
Just check the first
yeah,
one.
just check the alpha. Just check the first one, and you're good.
But I can use the other one if I want.
Yeah, you could, but just check for alpha.
Okay.
So regression simple linear. X is predictor, which is
Best act.
the first variable, so actor.
Compute.
So compute
Uh,
this one, so 1 decimal, so it's negative, so put minus 3 decimal. Oh, let's check alpha.
0.
It's bigger.
Bigger than
So go stats, summary stat, column. We have to predict actor. No, alpha. You have to if they didn't give you,
okay.
you have to make sure that p-value is bigger than 0.01 and 0.05.
Okay.
You compare with both of them.
Yeah,
Yeah, if it's less than both of them, that means there is a linear correlation. The equation is good.
If the p value is bigger than the alpha, yes,
Yeah, bigger than 0.01 and 0.05.
it has to be both. If it's
Yeah, both,
just
yeah,
bigger
both.
than 0.1,
If it's bigger than 0,
It's between
0.01,
0.01 and 0.05.
yeah, if it's in between, you can't use this method. You can't.
I can or I can't.
You can't. No, you can't. Because then you're not sure. Because you don't know what is alpha.
otherwise, if it's
But, yeah.
the condition met, we just go back and look for the prediction, yes.
What did it? What did you do?
I took the mean.
Oh, okay.
Otherwise, if it's confirmed, we take the prediction.
Yeah, because look at this. So they didn't give alpha. So
Okay.
you're not sure. It could be 0.01 or it could be 0.05. But if it's bigger than both of them, you're sure.
Yes.
But if it's in between them, you don't know. Is it 0.05?
Now it's 0.
Then you can't use the equation.
Then
If it's
we
if it's-
test the second condition.
yeah, you can test the other conditions. But here, look, it's bigger than both of them. So we use the mean.
Okay.
So here is the result within 5 years. Yes.
Yes.
Is
More than
5 years or less.
So it's five.
Wait. The predicted age
Wait.
is so
Wait.
the actual age is 49.
Yes.
We predicted 46.
Yes.
So it's 5 years or less from the real age. So here, open and start crunch. Mr. President again, you have to calculate. And then start regression simple linear.
Linear.
So X is
A height in centimeter.
president and opponent is this one. So we have to get the equation. So nearest integer, so this. And then we have to use this one, look, negative.
Yes.
So you put, so this is plus, you put negative inside.
Okay. So,
So
sometimes
3 decimals.
sometimes there is a negative between after.
Yeah.
Now how will check for the p value?
P-value is here. Look, 0.75.
Okay.
Bigger than
Yeah,
0.01
P
and
value
0.05.
Okay.
البي فاليو تيستات البوك ما تفهم ابدا.
Yeah, it's bigger than both of them. So we want to predict the
The
opponent.
height.
The opponent.
Okay.
Wait, this was the triter?
No. 1 decimal. So is it within 5? Yes.
Yes, it is.
So the result is more than 5? No. The result is less than, okay. First one, I think. Yes.
Should we move on to?
You want to do 10.3? It's the last one.
Yes.
10.3.
I think we understood this one.
Okay. So we have predicted intervals.
10.4 is not in use.
10.4 no. 10.4
10.1,
no.
2, 3.
So here let's do this one.
آخر واحد.
هذا شوي عاوز.
Okay, coefficient of determination.
هذا في خبصة.
So r squared. U square r 0.4 squared will become 0.162. And then times 100 becomes 16.2%. And
We
so,
just do this.
yeah, r squared is the explained variation.
Okay.
Yeah, so this one, we got this r squared. And then here it says r squared is the explained variation.
How do you know it's if it's kind of the same number? We put the one with the same one, or
Yeah, times 100, 16.2%.
So if we just put squared,
Yeah,
we
squared.
already
You
can-
get this one. Yeah.
We can already cancel two of the.
Yeah, you can you can cancel these two.
And then
And here it says 0.162, and then H3. This is wrong.
Yes.
because the explained variation is this one.
Okay.
هو يطلع هذا هنشوف نسوي
Okay, look here.
Yeah,
Another
okay,
question.
so-
Look, squared.
Okay,
We'll put 4 decimal.
What do you do with that? Also the
We
same?
put this number and then square.
Square.
Yeah, and then you put.
That's it.
Yeah, and now percentage. You just put times 100. So 1. This
Wait, how do you get this?
this number.
ضرب 100.
ضرب 100.
Yeah.
سويت السكوير
خلاص،
اقل
يسوي-
Yeah, just move the decimal 2 points and you go.
بس تسحبها شيء.
Okay.
So coefficient of determination is r squared. So this so 0.877, and then we have to round 78. So extend variation. We'll move to the decimal.
87.8.
That's it.
Huh?
So linear correlation coefficient. Okay, here coefficient.
I think I remember that was a fit one. Or
لا
remember
the
something.
coefficient.
wasn't the linear coefficient.
No, I'm not.
Look, so look.
The answer is in this one, yes?
Look, this is r squared.
Yes.
So let's put it in root.
This is 65.7.
Yeah, you'll put root. So 6.811. It's not. Maybe it's this one root.
I'll
let's
put
see.
this one in root.
Yes.
0.6. Oh, it turned it to 0.
I put the root, but it doesn't work. 451. Let's put this one. Okay. Oh, it's negative.
Negative.
Oh yeah, because look, the sign for r is the same as this one.
Let me see. So we put.
The sign for the slope is the same as r.
What is the number that we make squared? Square root.
This one here.
Okay. So it is square root 0.657 or like this.
Look,
Wait, خليه يسوي.
look. So this one, you'll take the square root of this one.
Yes.
Yeah,
بربط اثنين
that's 6. And then you have to put it negative because the slope is negative.
What is the slope?
This one.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, so if the slope is negative, r is negative. So I forgot about that one. So we round it. No, it's actually I
you
put
forgot the minus.
minus. Yeah, put minus. Now it's correct. Right? Yes.
Which number did you use? R minus SQ?
Yeah, r minus SQ.
Square rooted, then.
Yeah, r SQ means squared. R squared.
Okay.
And because this is slope is negative, we put negative for
We
r.
always make it like 0 point, then the.
Yeah, 0 point the number. So is there sufficient evidence to support the claim? So we don't have critical R, do we? We look at P.
I know.
Yes,
No.
because it's 0.
Why?
Because 0 is less than 0.01 and 0.05.
We always compare these.
Yes. Okay, so next technology. Best predicted height. Look, so P is 0, so we can use the prediction. It's 120. Wait, no, I put the slash by mistake.
What is that?
I put the mistake. This one, fit.
You want the fit one.
Yeah, fit. Not SE fit.
Wait,
Wait,
can
what?
we see it again?
Question 7.
Question 7. Go here.
When it says the value that is
Fit.
the best predicted
خلاص
height.
0 P.
في عندك زيرو
0, yes.
اقل عن الاثنين فترفض الفت
Fit.
167
Why straight away fit? Is it dependent on the question?
Fit is the prediction.
We make it 168, yes?
Yeah, 168.
That's it?
nearest whole number
That's
Straight around to the
nearest whole number.
integer.
So we'll go here, open and start crunch. Let's look here. So start, regression, simple linear. So x is weight of car and this one here. And we have to use x here.
Wait, sorry. And chapter 10, we only use simple linear regression, right?
Yeah, that's it.
We don't use anything.
Nothing else. So here he wants the prediction interval. So we put x value here.
That 3,800, right?
We
Yeah.
have the
Then we
confidence level.
put confidence level.
95.
Compute. Then go down. And then we look for PI. PI is prediction interval. Copy paste. Then here we go to this one. Copy paste. 3 decimal. That's it. Go to another question. So here he wants the explained variation. So we go stat. Regression as always, simple linear. X is says, look, he wants you to use the altitude as your prediction. So that means altitude is X, because you will put the altitude in X. Here, look, you will put this number, okay, 6.365, and you'll put 95%.
0.356.
Yeah, and then explained variation is model SS.
The inside or outside? 6 point.
This one inside, 6 point, because this is 2000. So this is 6.365 thousand.
Oh.
So we'll take model SS, that's the explained variation, 2 decimals, go. Unexplained variation is error SS. Then we go to the
Error is
Then the
unexplained.
total.
unexplained. And then they want prediction interval, you copy, put here, 3 decimal, 1. This one, copy, paste, 3 decimal, that's it.
Most
Yes,
yes actually ال unexplained variation احنا
Yes.
شو اخذنا؟ احنا للexplained اخذنا الموديل، unexplained شو اخذنا؟
error SS. Error SS. Now we have another question, the same stuff.
الايرور اس اس صح؟
Yeah, error SS.
اوكي.
So stat, regression, simple linear. We'll take x is gonna be court income because we're gonna put it in x. Y is just a salary, and then we'll put here.
Confidence
We'll put
interval
800
800.
because court income is in thousands. Because this means 800 and then 1000. Because if you put 800,000, it would be 800,000 thousand. So it would be like 800 million. Okay, so we'll put 800. Put 99% confidence level right here. Compute. And then you need explained variation, model SS,
SS model. Okay.
3 decimal, easy.
No, the unexplained one, the one below it.
Yep. And then 3 decimal, easy.
And
Then
the
PI.
PI.
Yeah. Yep. 4 decimal. 5 decimals, 4. Last, wait, should we do more?
This is the same one, I think.
Same one.
Yeah, same. Explained variation.
كل شيء موجود.
Let me try on this.
Regression,
Okay?
simple.
Wait, can I guess what we need to do?
Okay, so X variable.
X variable. Can you click the X variable? Okay, it's overhead width. Yes. Right.
Over half. 9.1 over half. الإكس يكون over half.
شو أول واحد طلع أول واحد.
لا كون.
Overhead width يصير هذا واحد.
Look, here
overhead
it
width.
says you have to use overhead to predict the weight.
Yes.
So this is X. Look, this is X.
Okay.
So overhead is X. Then weight.
Then width.
Then
Again.
put this one.
9.1. 0.99. Compute. Then we go to the SS.
Here is integer. So 5.
That's it.
Unexplained.
Error.
And then 3.
محمود
Yeah.
لما نسوي لها راوند to the nearest integer ناخذ انه مثلا 8174 ناخذ 8175 حتى لو كانت مثلا 0.1 او 0.2 ولا بنقربها زي بالديسيمال.
I like the decimals from 5 and above. So
اوكي
from 5 and above, you
The
just
first decimal.
يعني ما بنعطيها زي الرقم اللي بعد.
yeah, if it's more than 5, you round it up.
Yeah, but
So here,
And as I
one
again,
decimal.
it's still the same, yes?
If it's less than 5, we don't round up. So this is hypothetical. I don't think you're going to use it, so no need. So we finish chapter 10.3. That's it. So that's it for everything.
شكرا